Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G is the revolutionary mobile experience you've been waiting for. With Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G, you can have it all and do it all. Folded, it's a phone. Unfolded, it's a tablet. Get two immersive displays in one incredible device. Utterly seamless, the 7.6-inch ultra-thin glass display is a groundbreaking foldable glass that allows you to flip from a tablet to a phone with ease. Elevate your gaming and binge-watching experience with smooth motion, fluid scrolling, and flawless effects with 120 Hz refresh rate. Adaptive Flex Mode allows hands-free photos and videos. Increase efficiency with enhanced multitasking. Navigate, drag and drop, and work across 3 apps on the expansive main display. Flex UI even enables you to preview apps on one half, while on the other half controlling video chatting, watching YouTube videos, or taking notes. Work and play anywhere with wireless DeX. Use a monitor or TV as a second display cable-free with wireless DeX. Get next-level power for everything you love to do with Galaxy 5G. Share more, game harder, and never miss a beat. A device unlike any other, Z Fold 2 5G doesn't just define a new category, it defies all categories.